Alright guys, Bryce here with Discover Power Sports. So I get a call from Steven. He says, bud, let's take the Malibu out. I'm like, dude, conditions are pretty terrible. We've had a lot of freezing, rain, snow, sleet, whatever you want to call it, and now it's raining. So he says, let's take the Malibu out, see what it can do. And he goes, let's use it as an icebreaker on this pond. And I'm like, I'm in 100%. So got the old truck over here. She's warmed up, ready to go. Got some water. Hit that subscribe button right there if you like what we're doing. Make sure to check out our X3 content, KRX, all that stuff. We got some good side-by-side stuff. But we're gonna go out and have some fun with this Malibu. See if it can make it or not.
You need to break the ice in the pond. If the Malibu makes it through, dude, you gotta go through.
Oh gosh.
In the cruise.
Oh, okay.
Or the truck.
No, dude, I got 2,000 pounds of stone in the bed.
So that's traction, dog.
Yeah.
You can throw them out under your tires.
Oh yeah, make a path.
Yeah, we'll get the old chain of Ruski out just in case. Just drag it with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get the old.
That chain.
Let's get the old strap.
So we got a Discover Power Sports disaster response vehicle. Needs to break some ice.
Yeah.
Pond. Need to make sure, you know, old people don't fall through it. Ducks have somewhere to land.
Yeah.
They're gonna slow me down, dude.
Okay. Let me go get in position. It didn't even hit water. You didn't even hit any ice. You didn't even hit water, dude.
Y'all are my spotters. What the frick? I just can't believe it made it through.
Yeah.
We'll go.
Dude.
I'll go a little further back, a little more speed, a little further left.
Yeah.
Right.
Like center the left tire in between.
In between?
In between the two tracks. Yeah. That'll get you the right couple feet in the water. Dang. Holy crap. Yeah, she's beached.
I made it.
Yeah, the sucky part now is you made it too far.
Hey, go grab that other chain.
Nah, I'll pull it from there.
That is some deep crap.
Yeah.
I can't believe you made it this far. Holy crap.
Yeah.
10 more miles an hour, I got it.
Okay. Is it running?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just, there's a lot of smoke and it's very quiet. I'm dumb, dude. I could just back up over there.
Yeah.
What'd you hook it on?
I made it.
Yeah, we ain't hooking it like that, bub.
Where you want me to hook it?
Do what?
Since I made it 3/4, you had to come 3/4 of the truck. that was the agreement. As far as I go, as far as you gotta go.
There you go. Wrap it with that. It's gonna be a tough pull because at least this tire over here is sunk pretty good already. Nah, I might as well go through the center now.
It was easier for me to get out.
We'll have the prairie over here, and then Carter will come get you out. Hey, you know what you're doing, Dave?
Yeah. Round peg, square hole.
Seriously? Look, what? Show him what you just showed me. I can't get the chain in there.
Yeah, take the screw out first, and then slide it through, and then put it on, and then put the screw through.
Yeah.
It just don't fit as a. He's new. This is our intern.
Yeah. He's. Oh, my feet are wet. Not good. It's like 29 degrees. Yeah, that's definitely a piece of the car.
That's my air dam for the radiator.
Yeah. Well, you don't need a radiator where you're going.
Well, I'm gonna get in the heat. Thanks.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Thanks, y'all.
All right, you got her hooked up?
Yeah.
You sure? You super sure? Ooh, we might be really stuck.
Oh crap.
Might have sat there a little too hard.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, I figured this is gonna be tough. So we're gonna see how much traction this front wheels have. Look at that! Look at that wheel up there just rolling. All right, make sure this is slow-mo, Carter. I'm about to sling some things. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, she's crawling.
Oh crap!
Dang it. Woo. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Limit her to third. He was making it. All right. Alright, we got her. Just have to get her from a little bit higher ground. Something that's not going to sink so bad. Well, did that at least look cool?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's good.
Trying to find the pin.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
What?
Freaking interns, dude.
Cartier, dude.
You didn't find it? No. Is it in the bed? No, I had it screwed in. Hey, well, good thing we got another one.
Yeah, there is another one.
Oh, there it is. No, I got it. I didn't lose it.
Hey, he got it. He momentarily lost
Hey,
it.
dude, you're about to have to take a lap in that freaking tank.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize I was on top of a...
Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Target.
You just kept going, so I was like, whatever.
Well, I was waiting for a little instruction.
He'll know when to stop when he freaking runs in it. You're stuck, I think.
Yeah.
Alright. Round two. No.
Holy crap.
That was awesome.
Dude, I didn't think that was gonna
Freaking sick, dude.
That was awesome. That was locked it in second gear. Third gear wouldn't do it.
That was worth it.
Second gear had to lock it in.
I was waiting to just smoke that cube. I was about to say, I'm about to get pole vaulted off that cube.
I was in there, I was like, I got stuck on that freaking arrow thing. The arrow target. Dang. That was freaking sweet.
That was fun. Well, hey, mission accomplished.
What?
Ice is broken, dude.
Yeah. The cattle can drink.
Goose, jump in there and get you.
Goose, are you thirsty? And I'm surprised that had so much trouble getting this out.
Well, you do get all that stuff.
I know.
It's just hard to rock it and get that.
That's true.
Back up a little bit.
Yeah, get her unhooked. Oh, she's cooked. Fully cooked, dude. There GoPros are supposed to look. Dude, the rain will wash that. Leave it.
No, dude. I can't see what I'm doing.
Dang, I can't believe it
Drive
actually.
this home.
I can't believe. Can't believe it actually threw the mud that far. That was awesome.
It's freaking sick. Too bad we couldn't get it from the front with toe hook and cake it.
The water is just continually running out of here. I don't know
The
why.
valve cap is still frozen in the hood. I took it off earlier.
Holy
piece of ice.
crap, dude.
We've been driving around with that
Like,
this whole time.
definitely hit 60 a couple times. Look at this.
I don't know, dude. There's some more ice in there. You think we should go in the middle?
I mean, I don't see why not. You know?
Yeah, is that strap longer?
That strap? Yeah, dude, that thing is a mile long. We need to put that on. It'll.
Harder to warm up to 360. Drive it out though in case I actually can get it out and get me.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Cool.
You gotta change your heart.
It's starting to sleet pretty good. Sleet / freezing rain. And now we're gonna go bomb the car through the middle of the pond, but we're gonna put a much longer strap on so that I don't have to maybe so I don't have to get into the pond so much with the truck. I can just yank her out. Guess I need to clean off that one GoPro. I got some wipes on here. Alright, he's gonna try to go directly across right here. Oh yeah, that's got a shackle on it, and then we can hook a chain to the back of that. Oh, I'm gonna get smoked by mud and crap. Dang! No! Did you cut it off?
Can't park here.
The exhaust is underwater. Dang, that was close.
Yeah. A little more speed.
Couple more MPHs, dude. You got her.
It's pretty impressive.
Dude, yeah, that is actually.
Made it that far.
I mean, you almost made it to the dry land over here. Right on the edge. Look how it pushed all the junk up here.
Hopefully it gets looks good. Feel some traction.
All right, I think we're ready, eh?
Yeah.
Carter says we're ready. I don't even think the truck broke traction on that one. Just crawled her out.
Heck yeah, dude. Oh, yeah.
Oh boy. Well, is it worth another try?
Yeah, so if you need a brake ice, 1998 Malibu.
Yeah. And make sure you have a 1-ton sitting on standby.
I don't know if I can get going any faster.
Yeah, you came from pretty good ways. How was it when you hit the water?
It really didn't get bad until probably like midway.
I mean, did it feel like it didn't like hurt or
Not
anything?
that bad. Not until I got like right over there and actually dead stop.
Dude, that ice is pretty thick. Look at that one piece, man.
Oh, jeez.
It's pretty awesome, all in all.
Oh, my head. Just lost my headlight.
Good.
Couple self-tappers.
Yeah.
I gotta pick up my girlfriend later. So, girls go crazy with mud on like the TRD road.
Right.
So I gotta wash it again. Didn't even get to use the swamp witch.
No.
3600.
Hey, she's ready though.
First freaking press. Fire right on. Brought to you by Swamp Witch.
Whoops.
That was planned.
I bet she just walks. If you put that tire in your second rut, dude, she'll walk through that. Oh dang, that tire's flat.
That's fine.
More traction, dude. You're good. I know the weight, man. I have almost as much weight as the Malibu in the bed. Oh yeah, dude.